Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to make another shortcode in WordPress that will eventually show a YouTube video. So the video I want to show is by Traversy Media. Outdated programming courses can still be beneficial. So this one. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, pause my video, go to this channel and click on the subscribe button because this one guy is making tons of cool tutorial on web development and this will be highly beneficial to you. So if you want to improve the career that you have in web development right now, I suggest that you subscribe to the Traversy Media channel and it's worth it. So moving back to my video, I'm gonna have a short code that will show the video. So let's go to post and all post. Currently, we only have two posts, the random title and the hello world. So let's go to hello world. And here you can see that we already have a shortcode here. So I'm gonna add another shortcode. So let's write this. Then the name can be YouTube. And this time I'm not going to end the shortcode like this. Instead, I'm going to write it like this. So you can use this format as well. This will work. You won't have any problem. Let's update this one. So currently it won't do anything because we haven't added the shortcode in functions.php. So let's go to functions.php, and here, like the previous one, all I have to do is write add shortcode, and here I have to give the name. So the name is YouTube, and I have to give another name for the function. So the function name can be YouTube function. So let's copy this one and don't forget the semicolon, right? So simply I can write function, then YouTube function, and here we know that this will take two parameters. One is attributes and the other is content. So right now I don't have any content. I only need the attributes. So let's write atts, and here we can give some default value as well. So before diving into more coding, let's give you a brief of what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this video and I'm going to change the height and width of this video. So there are two parameters. So if I give some default value of height and width, then those height and width will be in action when this shortcode is running. So let's give some default values, and default values will be within an array. So in the array, let's write height, and the height can be like 500, and let's write width. So the width can be 500 as well. So let's make it a square video, right? So yeah. So I'm done with default values, and now I have to use shortcode atts, which will handle all the thing with default values and atts. Let me write first, then I will explain this to you. So let's name it shown values, and here I have to search for shortcode atts, and within this I'm going to pass the default values first the default values, then the attributes, default values, then attributes. So what this means, I will work with shown values, and the shown values will use shortcode atts. And if the user, like the end user, hasn't give any height or width, then it will use the default values of 500 and 500 that's been given here. Because if the user doesn't use height and width here, then if there is no default value, then the WordPress will show an error, and certainly we don't want any error. So now I'm going to make another YouTube video, and here I'm going to paste the embedded link of that video by Traversy Media. So first I need to write it like this. So I'm going to explain this one later, but for now just follow along. And let's go grab the embedded code from the share button. If you click on share, you will see a bunch of cool options. You only need to take the embed option, and here you can copy this link. This is basically iframe, and here I'm going to paste it between div. So yeah, it looks good. And here I don't want the default 560 and 315. I want values from here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to copy this one, copy this, and instead of 560, I'm going to write it like this: shown values equal shown values. Then within this, I want the width. So yeah, this looks good, and I'm simply going to copy this one and paste it over here. Only I'm going to change this one and turn it into height. So this looks good. And last, I want to return the YouTube video. So yeah, return the YouTube video and save it. So what this means, this will take the video embedded share link, and this will replace the width with shown values width. So in shown values, we will get the width, either this one or the one that user has given. So let's go to our WordPress, and we have already updated this. Let's click this button again, because why not? And let's see our website, visit site, and we should be able to see Traverse Media video, this one over here. Let's hope for the best. uh, let's visit site. So yeah, this is the one, and you can see it's clearly a square video of 500 by 500. So let's change it, and let's give some height equal to, let's reduce it 300, and the width will be 300 as well. Height is 300, width is 300. Let's update this one, and let's refresh this one. So before this line of code, we only gave YouTube shortcode and no height width. So the shortcode took these default values of 500 by 500, but now we have given our own values of 300 by 300. So now the video should be smaller. So let's reload this page, and let's see whether this works or not. Yeah, it worked. So yeah, that's how you can actually make cool stuff with shortcode, and now you can do it for yourself. So that's for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.